Alright you guys, just a quick video. This panel was leaking, but the hoses were too short for me to be able to work behind it, so figured I'd go ahead and extend them. So when I went down to a couple of the big box stores, nobody had any of this fresh water line stuff. Couldn't find it anywhere. I'm sure an RV place has it, but it's probably going to be a lot more expensive and it's not convenient. It's pretty far away, so I was looking at it trying to figure something out. I looked over here and my fresh water inlet hose looked to be exactly the same. So I compared the letters and numbers and ended up being the same stuff. It was looking kind of run down, so disconnected it, cut the ends off, and got the lengths I needed, cut everything out, and installed it. I then proceeded to go online and found that you can get a 25-foot hose, replacement hose, to put back on this guy here for $7 to $8 for 25 feet. Or you can get like a really nice blue double wall for like an extra $5 or so. So hope you guys found this helpful. Hopefully it'll make things a little easier for you on fixing an issue with this type of stuff, because it's not readily available, but your inlet hose will work just fine.